lads last night, and it was giving good strong winds this morning, 45-mile-an-hour winds. So I decided to come out for a wild goose chase. The aim of the game is to flight the pink-footed geese on the foreshore today, hopefully intercept them when they leave the sands where they roost and head inland to feed. I'm going to try and ambush them on the marsh. It's a tried and tested method locally and it works well. We've got no decoys, I've got a call, I've got the dog and a gun, and that's about it really, other than camera equipment. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, hopefully going to be in for a good flight. Hugo and I have got settled into our little hole. We're set up on a bit of a channel. I don't know if you can quite see that behind us. The idea being that quite often ducks use this as a reference point as they fly out in the morning. So keeping our eyes back towards the seawall in case there's any widgeon or pintail coming back out. The bulk of the geese are out in front but to our left, and with this wind we're probably going to be out of it, but there's another I think there's about 6 lads out today all spread out, so we're the furthest right, so we're probably going to be least likely to get a shot at a goose, but you never know. There's a big stretch of area to our right as well. If there's some geese up there we could be in for a shot, but we'll just see what happens. It's a nice morning to be out. It's currently dry. The forecast for the rain's been pushed further back, so the wind's not quite as strong, although we're in a bit of a hole here. We'll see what happens. But yeah, it's nice to be out. Better than being in bed. I think it's time for a brew. The time's currently just gone 7 and I've been up since, I think it was about 3:30. My alarm went off this morning. So coffee is very much required. Beard's a bit waffy today. I didn't put anything in it. I thought I'd be wrapped up with my hood up and everything, but it's still dry. Like I say, I won't be able to shoot for beard being in my eyes if it carries on like this. Oh, I've got a nice little shelf anyway. It's a comfy little hole. It's almost like somebody's scraped this out previously. We'll take full advantage of any perks we can get. Oh god, I got all dust in my eyes then off the gun. Hey, come on. Good lad, drop. You go, hello. On the scoreboard we've got a nice brace of Drake teal. Not really what we were expecting this morning. I was thinking if we did get a chance at ducks it'd be more widgeon or pintail, but I love teal, love to eat them. So yeah, a good result. So we've got a nice right and left. All the geese have been going the wrong way, but that's a wild goose chase for you. It's nice to get a chance at something else. It definitely paid off to come on this channel that's behind me, because those teal sort of whizzed round and came in behind. To be honest, I'm surprised I managed to get a shot off, because by the time I saw them I would have thought that they'd have seen me, but hopefully we've got it on GoPro as well as a shot cam. But yeah, result. Well, I think Hugo and I are going to head back and see the other lads. I don't think they've had any shooting this morning, but I'll see how they're getting on. I'm going to have a brew with those before walking off. I think this area is pretty clear of any chance of a further shot. There are a few more geese still out, but I think we'll jump into the creek and follow it round to go and meet them. By the way, that wind's picking back up. There's some birds moving there, that could be more ducks. Well, we'll go for a walk and we'll keep our wits about us. You never know, we might get another chance.